Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Xiaomi Air Purifier. To do this, first thing is to download Xiaomi Mi Home app, and you can find it on the Google Play Store. When the app is downloaded, create or log into already existing account, then you should see something like this. Now we can move to connecting our air purifier with the app. So click on the plus button in the top right corner of the screen, select add device. Then if everything is right with your air purifier, you should see it right here in the add device. If not, scroll down and find the air purifier section, and then select air purifier right here. In this case, we're going to go with the normal setup, so select the one on the top, then confirm agreement, and also enter the password for the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to. Now we can begin connecting this device. And basically our setup is done. Only thing left to do is just set the room, change the name, it's optional, share this device with your family members, and I'm not gonna do that. And now the setup is fully finished. And one thing, if you encounter any problem during setup, for example, if you have a connection error or something like that, we have on the camera, you can see the front of the air purifier. On the back, there's a little button, the circle one above the filter. Click and hold that button for around 7 seconds until you hear a rapid beeping, and also make sure that during this process your Xiaomi air purifier is enabled, and that should reset the Wi-Fi settings, and at the same time should remove any problems when connecting it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.